Hello everyone, welcome to Size Zero Recipes. So today we will be making a very healthy and protein rich snack. For that we will be needing 2 cups of oats, along with that 1/3 cup of roasted peanuts, and we will be needing 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder, or you can use the pitted dates as well. 2 tablespoons of cacao powder, and after that we will be having half cup of peanut butter. Now what we have to do, we have to mix all these ingredients finely into a mixer grinder. Now we will get the mixture done like this, and for preparing a dough we will be needing 2 tablespoons of milk. If you need, then only you can add the milk, and we will prepare a good dough and we will roll these into the laddus or balls. So you can see these are so yum, and I am telling you, these taste insane. Now for setting the balls or laddus, you can also keep them in the fridge for half an hour. The laddus will be set, and now you can drizzle the melted dark chocolate on each of the laddus or balls, and also you can drizzle some crushed peanuts. These laddus are a good source of carbohydrates, fats and protein and fiber too. You can add them in your breakfast or pre-workout fuel or post-workout snacks or anytime needed snack, and these taste so nice that I'm telling you, you will fall in love with these laddus and enjoy it, and enjoy these yummy laddus. And please subscribe to my channel Size Zero Recipes, so I can make more fat loss recipes for you.